let's attempt this little slide here.
It was at this moment that he knew.
You gotta keep going, man. You gotta keep going. And you should make sure that I'm recording when you move, so if you fall, I can get it. I want you to fall on camera, not off camera. All right? Don't you fall! All right, so context, we just came back. We're actually going up it. We're gonna go up there, but if he falls, then it'll be worth sharing. It's not that bad. I reckon we just follow it up slowly, and then we'll get right up way up there. Yeah, it's not a bad little pool. It's 19 degrees in there last I checked, so it's a little cool, but it's doable. That actually looks like a pretty good idea. I don't know what looks good. I don't know if I'm getting it all right. All right, let's attempt this little slide here. I hope that nothing. Is this gonna rip the shorts? No. Maybe I'm too. That was sketch. All right, well, this is all fun and games. We still got to go up more. We got more up. Nobody said it'll be easy. Yeah, like over there, maybe. I make no guarantees. Yeah, this is what we came up on. There's a trail that goes up there. I haven't been up there yet, but there's a trail. Actually, there's a person up there. What? There's a person. You can see him up there. Yeah, way up there. I don't know if this will work, but I'm gonna try it. I don't know if I got myself in frame or not, but. Alright, well, this is the money shot. Look at that, eh? Now we gotta figure out a way down. And there's like more up there. Is there a pool we can go into? No, come and look. It's like walking all over these rocks and everything, you know, like. And then, yeah, I'm gonna put it sideways and hopefully it does it justice. I think that's the best pool up. There's a pool right there we're gonna go try and check it out. I mean, it's all as far as we can try to get. Is there a way to go that way? I mean, all right, I gotta turn this off. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Because it looks like, okay, so the idea is we're gonna like move that over here, try to make a bit of a dam, and to get rid of all the things that are, you know, we don't want to sit on. But it looks like there's like a ledge here that we could also sit on too. So yeah, we just got to build it. All right, this is the best spot right here. Okay, hold on. Figure out how to get in here first, because it's the first time I got in here. There we go. This is the up view. I'm looking dead straight up. Actually, dude, look up, man. We are almost underneath this rock. Like, almost, but not quite, but yeah, man, we're underneath the rock. This strip. The only thing that would make this spot better is if we were in the sun. We had that nice sun spot. Alright, I gotta level it up here. I gotta see exactly how far I can get up this creek. And I think I can go a little bit farther. So, we'll see. Alright, this is probably about as close as I can get. I mean, unless I want to lick the rocks, but I don't want to lick the rocks. Now I gotta try to figure out how to get out of this area. But it's pretty cool though. I don't know if you can see what I see or will not, but there I get a standing shot. Woo! This is awesome! I gotta somehow get down there though. What? I can't hear him.